Hohem GO 2-axis AI auto tracking holder. In this video, we will show you how to use Go for the first time. First, please open the package. Take out the gimbal and its accessories. Quick powering on with 3 simple steps. 1. Put in. 2. Tighten. 3. Power on. 1. Put in. Cell phone, tablet, up to 11 inches are available. Mobile phone can be put in horizontally or vertically. 2. Tighten. Tighten the knob. 3. Power on. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to power the gimbal on or off. The blue indicator light stays on after Go power on successfully. AI tracking technology. AI tracking function is in control of your gesture only. App and Bluetooth connection are not required. Turn on Smart Tracking with OK gesture while the indicator light is green. Turn off Smart Tracking with palm gesture while the indicator light is blue. 3 things should be noted about the AI tracking. 1. Well-lighted. AI tracking can work better in a well-lighted area. AI tracking would not work without proper lighting. 2. Proper distance. The best distance for gesture recognition is 0.5 to 1.5 meters. The best tracking distance is 0.5 to 3 meters. The recognition and tracking would be failed due to out of range. 3. Correct gestures. Make sure that both gesture and face are shown in front of the AI sensor to identify and start AI tracking. Tracking angle range. Go is able to track 360 degrees freely in a horizontal direction and 30 degrees in vertical directions. Auto rotation. Double press auto rotate 1 circle. It can be used to take panoramic pictures or videos. Triple press, auto rotate constantly. Single press, stop the rotation. Charging instructions. Please make sure the device is fully charged before using. The status indicator. Blue, standby, tracking not started. Green, tracking started. Red light on, fully charged. Flash continuously, low battery caution. Slow flash continuously, charging. Notice, it's charging when any status indicator slow flashes continuously. User scenarios. Selfie, live stream, fitness or online class, video call, video conference. Go will be your photography assistant to keep you in the middle position.